No doubt some great tutorials are provided on YouTube, but most of them don't have certification. If you watch a tutorial on YouTube, you learn them and you're able to do them, but you don't have certification for learning those things. Now I'm going to show you a website that you're going to learn great deals of whatever for free and then still have certification for learning them, all right, from great university. Let's say you've been wondering to have a degree from Harvard University or MIT or any of those top world universities. All right, I'm going to show you a website where you're going to get some of those degrees for free and you still get certification, all right, stating the name of those renowned university in the world. And then anything you want to learn, literally anything you want to learn in the world, be it blockchain technology, crypto, there's a whole lot of tutorial, detailed tutorial, video tutorials that have already been provided on that platform, and you can learn them and start making money from them when you know how to use them properly. So let's just get in right now and check it out. So be sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment. If you comment your thoughts, all right. The website we're talking about right here is called digidefine.com. All right, this is define.com. All right, I don't know if I get the pronunciation correctly. So once you I'll provide the link in the description of this video. So once you enter here, you see free certification for learning some courses from renowned universities. You see free certification courses, free courses, all courses. All right, there are so many courses, be it digital marketing, data scientists, designing, development, business, Excel, finance, name them. There are so many data scientists. All right, you can see the list of university, even from Harvard University, from Columbia University, Duke, and so many other renowned universities, even from Standford University. So there are so many universities that you can learn from here, and they obtain a degree from those universities for free, totally free of charge. So guys, you know, you need to just get on this, hop on this right now, because this is something that most of your guru knows, but they don't want you to know. So I'm providing this for you totally free of charge. But what you need to do right now is just to subscribe to my channel and then comment if you like this video. All right, just comment in the comment section and like the video. All right, so you can go here, learn any skills that you want to learn for free. All right, definitely my YouTube channel teaches you about a lot about skills and acquisition, about business, finances. But you know, the truth be told, all the skills that is on this side cannot be taught on one single channel. All right, so here is where you can find some of those skills that are properly outlined. All right, they are properly outlined, so you could learn any one of them. So let me assume I want to learn something about blockchain. I can easily come here, come to the search bar and search blockchain. All right, so if I enter blockchain, now I'll see some courses that are blockchain related. All right, top best blockchain certification courses. All right, so I'll see a lot of courses here on blockchain. So let me click one here. Let me see this one here, updated. All right, so blockchain Insight, blockchain courses, Udemy. So there are so many here, so many. All right, so many. So I can actually choose the particular one I want and then click on it. Let me click on this one here. All right, it will tell me the days and the number of time it will take me to learn that particular skills. Then I can enroll if I want to enroll. So you can see I can enroll if I want to enroll in any one of them. All right, let's click on this free certification and see. All right, because okay, this is the kind of certification you get from this platform when you learn from here. All right, free courses. All right, these are See a lot of free courses, 1,000 free online courses with certification. Stanford University, Harvard University, free courses from all those universities, alright, and even from Udemy as well. Alright, let me search here. Let me just search blockchain again, because I know a lot of persons are interested in blockchain right now, so that's why I'm searching blockchain technology. Alright, so you can see so many blockchain technology courses here that you can learn for free, absolutely free. Blockchain cryptocurrency course 101, absolute beginners, introduction to cryptocurrency and blockchain, and then how to learn and stop worrying and love crypto. Alright, so here there are so many. So let me click on the second one, alright, because it's kind of appealing to me. Alright, so this side as well linked to Udemy, alright, here. So now if I click here now, I'll see introduction to the course right here, where the tutor actually introduces the course and give outline to the course and
hello,
give details.
This is 𝗦𝗚𝗞𝗘 from 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝐻 Solutions.
Alright,
Welcome to the first part of the cryptocurrencies course. Is be limited.
So all I need to do right here now, alright, so this is like an extension. All I need to do right here now is to click on the enroll button and then enter my details or log into the Udemy, and then okay, I'm already logged on to Udemy, so I can actually start the course immediately. Alright, I can click on start course and then I'll start taking the courses, you know, one by one. Story of money, meet the Bitcoin, economics of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Q&A, and then resources, blockchain, and then there are so many things, alright, within that course. Alright, so when I'm done learning this course, I could be given certification. Alright, so and everything is totally free of charge. You don't need to pay anything, you don't need to pay a dime. So be sure that you check out this website and then learn some things, learn something new. And you know, the crypto world is becoming much powerful every single day. And the moment you grab it and start, you know, joining the technology and joining everyone, and right now, and start learning new things and start appreciating the technology, then you'll be able to grab a section or be a major shareholder in the knowledge and the world that it holds. Alright, so just like the internet started some years back, those that grabbed the opportunity, like Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, and all of them, you can see how much they are capable, they hold right now. Alright, so I'm not saying that everybody must exactly be rich, but I believe that if the right thing is being done, you always get the right result. Alright, all things being equal. So let me know if you like this video. Please subscribe and see you in my next video. So see you in my next video.